everybody. Welcome to another episode of Dishing with the Pozzaricchi Arpino team. My name is Bill Pozzaricchi. Behind the camera is my wife, Michelle. That was Michelle's wiggle for you. And today I'm going to cook you show you how I cook a Christmas favorite. We do this every Christmas Eve. It is pasta with oil, garlic, and anchovies. It's really simple to do. Takes about 10 minutes, so I'm going to run you through everything. Now, our ingredients is 1 pound of pasta, 8 cloves of garlic, 4 2-ounce cans of anchovies, 1/2 a cup of olive oil, and some Italian breadcrumbs, and I'll show you how I use this at the end. And don't worry, we are not cooking Frosty just here because it's festive. So, with all this stuff ready to go, and you can change this, by the way. I've seen people do it with capers. They add in hot peppers. They'll add some Parmesan. You can do it any way you want. I've also seen it with less anchovies and less garlic. We like our anchovies and garlic in this household, so I bumped that up a little bit. So let's go to the stove. Okay, we are back at the stove. I've got my oil heated up the pan first, then put the oil in, and I'm gonna start with the garlic. You wanna put your garlic in there. And cook that for about a minute. You're gonna be really careful with this because you don't want it to burn. So I like to turn the heat down a little. And then you add in your anchovies. And they're basically gonna disintegrate as we put it in there. So I'll just keep some movement on this. And when I put the anchovies in, I basically will just shut the heat right off. And then from that, we have our pasta right here that we just finished and drained. We saved a little bit of pasta water in case we want to add a little bit more liquid to it. So we're almost done here. You can see how they're starting to get a nice little brown on it. Again, we cut these really thin so they'll brown up quick. And in goes the anchovies. I'm going to shut the heat off. Just let this do their thing. This will start to disintegrate up. And you can start to give it a quick stir. What I found easier for me is I like to stir it up and mix it right in here. It just makes it easier. So I'm going to take this and pour it all in here. And then it just makes it easy for me to mix.
And here's the little helper. It says, "Good job, Dad."
And if you remember, we talked about the Italian breadcrumbs. They're right here. Mom taught me this. This is an old Italian mom trick. A little bit of Italian breadcrumbs will soak up some of that oil and help it all to stick to the pasta. Okay, so now we're gonna plate and do a taste test. Okay, so we got it in the plate and we're gonna do a taste test. Yeah. Tastes like Christmas. Very, very good. And it's simple to do. And again, you can add your own twist to it and add different things, either more anchovies, more garlic, capers, anything you want. So thanks for watching, everybody. We really do appreciate it. Remember to like our Facebook business page and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that bell so you're always notified of more videos that we're gonna do. Thanks again, everybody. Have a great, safe, happy holiday season.